From the following, identify the z-score that is located closest to the mean. So we have a z-score in A of 0.5, positive 0.5. B is z equals to positive 1.5. C is z is negative 1.5, and D z is negative 2.50. Okay, so once again, z-scores measure how far you are from the center, from the mean. So if I have a mean of a distribution, the mean always has the corresponding z-score of 0, because you can think of z-scores as measuring how far you are from the mean. So when we are right here at the mean, we are 0 distance away from the mean. Now, this way is positive, and this way is negative. And I move up from 0 into the positives and up from 0 into the negatives as I go in either direction. So, for example, A, positive 0.5 would be the first thing that I encounter on this side. This would be z equals to 0.5 in the positives, and then later on I would get to z equals to 1.5. So you can see that z equals to 0.5 is closer to the center, to the mean. What about in the negatives? Well, z equals to negative 1.5 would be just as far this way as positive 1.5 is that way. And you know that that's not as close as the 0.5. So this is not going to be my answer. This is not going to be my answer. And certainly even further into the negatives, negative 2.5, that's also not going to be closest to the mean. So the answer is A, positive 0.5.